Hello viewers, in this question we are going to discuss our third one. In the adjacent figure, AB is parallel to CD and EF is perpendicular to CD. So for this, it is making 90 degrees perpendicular means. And angle GED, they are given that angle GED will be equal to 126 degrees. So what are the given that AB is parallel to CD and EF is perpendicular to CD and angle ZED will be equal to 126 degrees. This one they are given. Our next one, find angle AGE. So AGE, so this angle we have to find, and GEF, this angle we have to find, and FGE, so this angle we have to find. So based on this, we can go with here. What you can take it here is, so let's take here making GEF. So GED. So angle GED and angle AGE. So two angles are alternate interior angles. So this angle and this angle is same. So these two angles are called alternate interior angles, this and this one. So these two angles are alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. They are equal. So angle GED will be equal to angle AGE. So based on that, this angle is 126 degrees. So this is the angle 126 degrees, that will be equal to 126 degrees. And one more thing is there. So here from 126 degrees we are going to subtract. So from 126 degrees we are going to subtract angle GEF. Angle GEF will be equal to, so subtraction of angle GED minus angle FED. So GED 126 degrees minus this angle we are going to subtract from that. So 90 degrees. Then what you will get here is 36 degrees. So 126 minus 90, that one will be 36 degrees. So we are calculated GEF. So this one over and these two are over. Then our next angle is angle FGE. So FGE we need to find from, so let's take FGE. Angle FGE will be equal to FGE. So this angle we can make it from linear pair. From linear pair angles. What you can take here is linear pair angles. So angle AGE plus angle FGE will be equal to 180 degrees. So these two angles will make 180 degrees. So sum of that two angles. Then what you can take it here is angle FGE. Let's write angle FGE. We have to find angle FGE will be equal to 180 minus angle AGE. So what is that? 180 minus 120. AGE is nothing but 126 degrees. Then what you will get? 54 degrees. So we are calculated 54 degrees. Like this we need to solve, or you can go with another method. So we can go with another method. How it is we can find all the angles, this one over. We can find this angle by using of this. So here also 90 degrees. From angle sum property you can take it. So this angle is what? So according to previous one, this angle we are calculated 36 degrees. So this angle is 54 degrees. So here 126 degrees. So based on that we can go with, so here calculated 36 degrees. This is 90 degrees. Then we can calculate FGE easily. So angle FGE. So this angle we have to find. So another method I am explaining. So here angle sum property from triangle FGE. Angle sum property of angles, angle sum property of triangle, angle sum property of triangle. So sum of all the angles, angle G plus angle F plus angle E, that will be equal to 180 degrees. So we are already known these all the values. What is that? Angle G is nothing but angle FGE. So angle G nothing but angle FGE, that is the angle. So angle G plus angle F is not 90 degrees. Angle E is what? 36 degrees. That will be equal to 180 degrees. Then angle G will be equal to 180 minus 126 degrees. That will be equal to 54 degrees. Like this also we can solve, or we can go with another method. So we have to find this angle based on this. So this angle we know GED will be equal to 126 degrees. From linear pair angles, so what you can say, from linear pair angles, sum of these two angles. So these angles will make, so from linear pair angles, what you can say, angle AEC, angle ACE plus angle GED will be equal to 180 degrees. So sum of these two angles will make 180 degrees. Angle AEC equal to 180 minus angle GED. That will be equal to 180 minus angle GED will be equal to 126 degrees. That one will be equal to 54 degrees. So we have calculated this angle, only this angle will be equal to 54 degrees. So this angle AEC and angle FGE, so this angle, so these two angles, are angle FGE are alternate interior angles, and they are equal, alternate interior angles are equal. Angle AEC will be equal to angle FGE, that will be equal to 54 degrees. Like this also we can solve. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.